Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time the question is how to schedule messages on your iPhone. So this is a pretty simple process. You just want to ensure that you have the Shortcuts app downloaded on your iPhone. So once you do, you just open it up and then at the bottom you switch over from the shortcuts to automations. So when you click on automations, just start a new one and you can choose what is going to trigger it, but if we want to schedule it on a specific day or a time, then click on a time of the day, then set it up, of course, then choose the specific time. You can choose it to repeat monthly, daily, whatever, right? And you can click on the next, and then at this time you can see what is supposed to happen. So we want to just look up send message. And if you cannot find it right away, you can search for it, but it should pop up already. So you can type the message in, or you can also just choose the recipients. So you can choose the people which the message is supposed to be sent to. So that's basically how it works. Once you have the message content as well as the person which you want to send it to, then you can tap on done and the automation is going to be ready. And at that time, it's going to run and the message is going to be sent to that person. Obviously, as you can see before, you can also choose whether you want to confirm it or not. So it kind of depends on you. If you don't want to be required for a confirmation, then you can also just skip that and it will be good to go, right? So that's kind of how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to figure it out, if you managed to get it to work. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.